How to download music on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can download music on Spotify. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. In order to download music on Spotify, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Spotify application here. And once you launch your Spotify app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now let's say that there is a music that you want to listen even when you do not have access to the internet. For that case, you have to download the music or the song, right? And in order to download it, just go ahead and select a playlist that you would like to download over here. Once you've done that, right under the playlist, you'll find this little down arrow icon, which is the download button. Now, if you want to download it, you can just tap on it. But there is a catch over here, because currently Spotify is only allowing the premium users to be able to download songs on the platform, which means that if you are a free user, just like me, you will not be able to listen to songs offline. And this sometimes is really a sketchy move from Spotify themselves as well, because they're just doing this to increase their businesses, but not really thinking about the free users. If you're one of those who doesn't have a premium but are willing to get a premium, you can do so by just tapping the premium option from the bottom right, tapping the get premium option, entering your card details. And if you're on iPhone, we've made a separate video for that because I don't want to cover them in this video, because this video is going to be too long. I'll make sure to drop a few links down in the description box as well. But to give you a basic context of the idea, currently Spotify doesn't allow free users to go ahead and then basically download music on their Spotify app. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.